Hey guys, it's your girl, the Great Tay Tay. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. So as you can see from the title of today's video, you guys, I'm going to show you how I make my rice water hair treatment. This is very good for hair growth, so stay tuned. So I'm going to start off with adding some rice to a bowl. So I'm adding a third cup of rice, and the rice that I'm using, it's Jazmine rice. You can use any rice of your choice, brown rice or whatever rice that you have at home. You can use it, but I just prefer to use Jazmine rice because that's the rice I use at home. So I added some water, and what I'm doing here, I'm just washing the rice, trying to get all the bacteria away from the rice. So I'm just washing it, and then after washing it, just rubbing it between my fingers and all that stuff, just trying to ensure that I get a little bit of white from the rice. After that, I am going to drain the water from the rice. So that's what it looks like after washing the rice, and I'm going to drain that water from the rice. Also, I forgot to mention, you guys, the water that I'm using, it's room temperature water. So now I'm gonna add more room temperature water to the rice that I've washed, and then I am going to, give it a little stir. Normally after this, I would put my rice and rice water in a bottle, and then I would cover it and allow it to ferment overnight. However, I don't have a bottle, so what I used in this case is a plastic wrap. So I just put the wrapper over my bowl, and then I let it sit for 24 hours. You can let it sit for 8 hours if you want, or 30 minutes. It's your choice, but I let it sit for 24 hours. So now it's the next day, and this is what it looks like after fermented. The rice is a little bit soft, so that's what it's supposed to look like, after sitting for 24 hours, you guys. Normally the rice water would have a smell. However, because it's Jazmine rice, it doesn't really have a bad smell, because Jazmine rice, it has a little fragrance to it. So, there wasn't a bad smell from the rice water. So now I'm just adding the water from the fermented rice water to my spray bottle. I did not have a funnel, so I had that plastic thing, and it worked perfectly. So I decided to use it to add the water in the bottle, and that's what I'm doing right now. And I just want to ensure that I get all the water from the rice, you guys. So I added my rice water to the bottle, and as you can see, it has like you can see the color from the rice. Right now I added my peppermint essential oil. You can add any flavor of your choice, but I chose to use peppermint. Also, I added castor oil to the rice water mixture as well, and I give it a good stir. And just so you guys know, castor oil, it's very, very, very good for hair growth, you guys. It's really good for hair growth, and gives your hair lots of body and volume. So this is what my hair looks like, and now I'm gonna spray this mixture in my hair. And just so you know, I haven't washed my hair as yet. My hair is dirty. So this is what I do before I wash my hair, and I normally do this at least twice a month, right? Everybody's hair, it's different. This has really worked for me. I did the big chop maybe like a year ago, and this is what my hair looks like right now, and it's growing back, and it's healthy. I have my edges, and this is one of the things that I've been doing to my hair, in order to get my hair to grow really, really healthy. So what I'm doing here is adding the rice water to my hair and just twisting it or plaiting it, braiding it, just so that it doesn't tangle. And then you can do whatever you want to do, but I just chose to part it in small sections and give it a little twist. And I'm just gonna do this to my entire hair. So you guys, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. And leave a comment in the comment section below, you guys. Let me know if you've ever tried the rice water method before, and let me know if it worked for you. It has worked for me, so let me know if it's something that you have tried and if it worked for you. Okay, a few benefits of rice water for your hair is that it improves hair growth, it reduces split ends, it protects your hair from damages, it strengthens your hair roots, and it smoothens your hair. It cures dandruff, it makes your hair silky and shiny. So rice water has lots of benefits, you guys. And obviously, if you use rice water today, your hair is not gonna be 3 inches longer tomorrow. Everything takes time, and you have to use it very often in order to see the results. So, if you want to see improvement in terms of your hair growth, you guys, I would recommend that you use rice water as a hair treatment at least twice a month, and guarantee that you'll definitely see results, you guys, because this is something that I've been using. And as I said before, that this is 1 year after the big chop. So now I am done applying all the mixture, the rice water, to my hair, and I'm just gonna put on my satin bonnet, and I'm gonna leave it in until the day after, which is my wash day. So that's it. That's all, you guys. The next day I'm gonna shampoo, condition my hair like normal, and that's it. Stay blessed and keep motivated. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you in my next video.